Hello, welcome to Capsim Capstone 2023. This is round by round guide, step by step for round 6. This is round 6 already. We have very high sale and profit. We are leading the game with top sale and profit much higher than other competitors. We have added 3 new products from round 1, 2, and 3. And from round 5, we lead the game with top sale and profit. So we just keep updating the product, increase performance and reduce size based on our industry condition report, and also you can use the Excel file to calculate the INT as you are seeing on the screen, right? So we have 8 very product selling very well, and this is for the marketing decision. We are selling well, and also we keep our competitive product competitiveness of the product by reducing the price by 50 cents for each round to maintain our product competitiveness and selling better than competitors. After set decision for the prices of the 8 products, we have 5 old products and we added 3 new products, right? In low end, traditional, and performance. This is advanced marketing screen, so maybe different to your screen. If you have simple marketing screen, you just use promotion and sale about 1,400, and then to maintain the 100% of customer awareness and accessibility. But it is advanced marketing screen, so we use max spending for print media and direct mail. For web media and email and chat, so we may leave that for next round 7 and round 8 to use a higher spending. We also see the sales budget, right? For outside sales, inside sales, and distributor. It is different to simple marketing screen, right? So we just use 10 and 12 as inputting on the screen. To make decision for time allocation, we use 12%. We have 8 products, so we use 12% for each of them. Now it is important to calculate the sales focus, so we open the career report and take the production part. We need to see unit result from last round and also inventories. And again, please use the Excel file to calculate the sales focus and then input on the screen as you are seeing on the screen, right? Use the free Excel file to do calculation faster. And we input the sales focus. We can add about 10 or 15% to avoid stock out in case we are selling very well and have high demand for all the product. And now it is important to set decision for the production plan. For production plans, we also use the Excel file. Just make the production plan based on the sales focus and deduct the inventory in hand. You see on the first and the second line, we also use the Excel file to calculate that already. So just input the number of production schedule in for the 8 product as you see on the screen. Because we have added 12 or 15%, so it is okay, right? In this production screen, remember to increase automation for high-end performance and size to 5 or 6. And also we need to check the demand and the capacity to increase the capacity for the needed product. To maintain about 150% of capacity is the most optimal production cost, right? So we increase the capacities for some needed product as you see on the screen, right? We increase for size and the new end product and the new traditional product capacity, right? This is for production decision. For human resource HR decision, we use 5,080 hours as usual. And this is finance decision table. We this is round 6. We can buy back the stock retire and pay some dividends to increase our stock price and earning per share, right? So we take the cash in hand we have. We can use long-term debt here, long-term loans here for safety reason. To avoid in any case of bad situation, we avoid stock out. We can use from 20,000 to 60,000 if you like. And for total quality management screen. We can use each 1,000 for each 1,000 for each TQM initiative from round 4 to round 7 to get total of 4,000 for TQM. So each round we use about 1,000 from round 4, 5, 7 and 8, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And now we see the income statement estimated at 339 million, and also the contribution margin 112, and net profit around 46 million. It is a good result. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.